Nothing makes a better first impression than a perfectly sculpted brow. Am I right? Today, we're going to look at the goodies that we got from Fox Cosmetics in the Summer 2019 BeautyPro Box. Let's get started. Hey guys, Emily here with BeautyPro Media, where our aim is to inform, empower, and inspire beauty pros just like you through our reviews, event coverage, pro tips, interviews, and fun stuff. If you like our videos and want to see more, please consider subscribing to our channel. All links and information will be posted in the description box below, so be sure to check that out as well. Okay, here we go. Welcome to another video for the Summer 2019 BeautyPro Box series. One of our featured vendors is NALA award-winning company, Fox Cosmetics. Let's talk about what you got. First, if you take a look at your BeautyPro Box postcard, you will see a coupon code for 15% off your next $50 order of Fox Cosmetics from their North American distributor, BeautyPro. Thanks, guys. Alright, let's take a look at this brow butter. There are currently 7 colors in this line, and each BeautyPro Box received a randomly chosen color. First, let's talk about the different colors available. First, we have blonde, which is the lightest color, and it is a warm base color. Next, we have auburn, which is a taupe blonde with a cool base. Followed by light brown, which is also cool base, but it is a touch darker than auburn. Also the top seller. Next, we have caramel, which is a light warm brown, followed by chocolate, which is a medium warm brown, medium brown, which is a deep dark but warm brown, and we have dark brown, which is the darkest, but it has a cool base. So just a side note of insider information that I'm actually not sure I'm allowed to share yet, but I can trust you guys won't tell anyone, right? Rumor has it that there will be a fashion color line of brow butters launching soon, possibly inspired by a redhead Asian that shall remain nameless. Maybe it's a rumor, or maybe you'll be seeing me try it out in a future video. I can't confirm or deny. Anyway, back to the current line of brow butter. This product is really great for using on your clients during a brow service or as a complimentary makeup touch-up after a facial or a lash service. It also makes a really great retail item. It has buildable coverage, a buttery smooth consistency, and is long-wearing and waterproof. We also got the Fox Cosmetics dual-sided angle brow brush in our BeautyPro boxes. They work synergistically together to give you perfectly sculpted brows that will blow your mind. To use, scrape out a very small amount on a clean spatula. Using your angled brow brush, pick up a tiny amount of product and wipe off any excess on the side of the spatula. A little goes a very long way, and remember, you can always add to build up the coverage, but it's much harder to dial it back if you use too much. I like to start at the bottom line of my brow, draw a straight line, then blend upward. Then reload your brush and carve out your arch and tail. Reload your brush again, and this time draw in your top line parallel to the bottom line and blend downward. Create your apex and join the tail. Then fill in your brow in thin layers until your desired coverage level. Use the spoolie side to soften any hard lines. Once set, your brow butter won't smudge. So there you have it, the awesome products that we got from Fox Cosmetics. Try them out, and if you love these goodies as much as I do, be sure to hit up Lash Boutique Pro to reorder with your exclusive BeautyPro Box discount code. Question of the day: one of your best friends has terrible brows. Do you tell them, and how do you tell them? Give us the answers down below in the comments. If you're just joining us, we just showed you how to best use your goodies that you got from Fox Cosmetics, one of our award-winning featured vendors in the Summer 2019 BeautyPro Box. If you missed out on the Summer box, the next one will be the Autumn 2019 box, and you can get more information on our website. If you or someone you know would like more information on how to become a featured vendor, please send us a message. All links are down in the description box. Thank you for joining us here at BeautyPro Media, where our aim is to inform, empower, and inspire you through our videos. You could have been anywhere, but you chose to be here with us, and for that reason, we commit to continue being an impartial and authentic resource that you can trust. If you like our videos and want to see more, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you again real soon. And until next time, remember that we can all be the change that we want to see in the lash world and beyond.